The Evidence for Learning Teaching and Learning Toolkit is an accessible summary of a wide range of approaches to improving teaching and learning. There's lots of evidence out there on what works in the classroom, but that body of evidence can be overwhelming and difficult to interpret and navigate. The Teaching and Learning Toolkit is designed to support teachers and school leaders who are making decisions about how to improve learning outcomes, particularly for children and young people experiencing disadvantage. The toolkit is underpinned by a review of the highest quality studies. It systematically synthesises the findings of studies for each topic or strand. Each strand is summarised in terms of its average impact on student achievement, the strengths of the evidence supporting it, and its cost. The toolkit provides quality information about what is likely to be beneficial based on existing evidence, alongside key findings that might help schools to consider and implement approaches in their settings. It is a live resource that is updated on a regular basis as new findings from high-quality research becomes available. Schools are different, so the toolkit doesn't make definitive claims as to what will work everywhere. To get the most out of the toolkit, we recommend that you look beyond the headlines. Every approach in the toolkit has a dedicated page which describes in more detail what it is, what it costs, and what impact you can expect. Think about cost and evidence as well as impact. The most impactful approaches do not always provide the best value for money. Draw on your professional expertise. The toolkit can tell you whether an approach has had positive impacts in the past, but you need expertise and insight into your school's context to make a well-informed decision about whether to introduce it for your students. A range of other information is presented for each strand, including links to further reading and related evidence for learning projects and resources. We hope you find it useful as a starting point for making decisions for improving teaching and learning in your school.